Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I fry eggs.
I fry eggs.
I cook rice.
I cook rice.
I taste the food.
I taste the food.
I boil water.
I boil water.
I make tea.
I make tea.
I cut vegetables.
I cut vegetables.
I peel potatoes.
I peel potatoes.
I wash vegetables.
I wash vegetables.
I bake a cake.
I bake a cake.
I grill chicken.
I grill chicken.
I stir the soup.
I stir the soup.
I slice tomatoes.
I slice tomatoes.
I mix the ingredients.
I mix the ingredients.
I pour milk.
I pour milk.
I grate cheese.
I grate cheese.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I wipe the counter.
I wipe the counter.
I squeeze lemons.
I squeeze lemons.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I clean the sink.
I clean the sink.
I turn on the stove.
I turn on the stove.
I throw away trash.
I throw away trash.
I check the oven.
I check the oven.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I toast bread.
I toast bread.
I spread butter.
I spread butter.
I make an omelet.
I make an omelet.
I fill a glass.
I fill a glass.
I decorate the cake.
I decorate the cake.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
I chop onions.
I chop onions.
I open a jar.
I open a jar.
I prepare a meal.
I prepare a meal.
I wash fruits.
I wash fruits.
I turn off the stove.
I turn off the stove.
I wash a plate.
I wash a plate.
I crack an egg.
I crack an egg.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I shape the cookies.
I shape the cookies.
I blend fruits.
I blend fruits.
I squeeze lemons.
I squeeze lemons.
I mash potatoes.
I mash potatoes. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.